faster than you would buy them. Perfect chicken breast rolls. In separate plates, put flour and eggs beaten with salt. Cut the chicken breast into thin slices. Cover with plastic wrap and pound the fillet with a schnitzel mallet on both sides. Season with salt, black pepper. Turn the slices over and season the same way. Put a few cheese triangles in the bowl. Finely chop a bunch of parsley. Add to the bowl and mix well. Spread the chicken fillet with this mixture. Shape rolls from all the slices with filling. Cut all the rolls in half. Dip in eggs. Coat in flour. Dip a second time in eggs. Fry the rolls in the pan with vegetable oil until nicely browned. Remove the rolls onto paper towels. Cut a few peeled potatoes into pieces. Put into the pot with water. Season with salt and boil for 15 minutes. In the bowl with potatoes, add parsley. Add cheese grated on the fine grater. Season with sweet paprika. Mash the potatoes into a puree with the potato ricer. Add starch. Mix well with a spatula. Sprinkle with flour. Roll out the mixture with a rolling pin on the table. Trim the edges to obtain a rectangle. Cut the rectangle into equal strips. Fry the croquettes in the pan with vegetable oil until nicely browned on both sides. These chicken breast rolls are made in record time and are perfect for any occasion. They will disappear quickly from the plates, especially if you serve them with a delicious sauce or a correctly chosen side dish.